going?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have our differences.
But generally, it's going good.
Yeah.
Well, good. What do you want to tell her?
There's something I have to say.
Oh.
I brought you on the show. I don't know how to tell you, so I'm going to show you. I'm pregnant.
Are you really?
Yes. How do you feel about that?
Like, I'm happy. I really am. Are you really pregnant?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
I do have something to tell you. I slept with your friend. I mean, look, listen, okay? I'm sorry.
Are you serious?
Like, listen, I need you to listen to me, okay? It was a one-time thing. We all make mistakes. Do you not make mistakes? Okay? I need you to calm down. Okay? I'm sorry.
I thought
Look,
you loved me.
I do love you. I really do. I love you. I do. I'm gonna do everything I can for
We
this
have a baby on the
I
way.
do. I will do everything I can. I swear
I've done
to God.
so much for you.
I know you
I
have.
buy your weed.
Listen, I'm sorry.
I do.
Look at me. I'm sorry. Look at me. I'm sorry. You hear me? Do you hear me?
No.
Are you really pregnant?
Yes.
Like,
Oh, she's great.
I mean, I don't. That's a big deal for me. You know, I didn't know this at all.
Well, I know. So where do we go from here? You're probably going to have to cut the weed stuff out.
Yes. We have a baby on the way.
I understand that now. That's crazy. Like, why? I mean,
That's true. He didn't know before.
I did, yeah, but I'm saying, like, I mean, it just. She had nice clothes on. She just got her hair done. She told me that, and she was tense, and she came on to me, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. She came in. She knew what she was doing. You wasn't at the house. You was at your cousin's house. I understand that. And I let her in to get a phone charger, and she did not leave. Like, I can make somebody leave. I understand that. But at the same time, you know, her being your friend, I didn't want to be rude. I didn't want her to call you being like, oh, your boyfriend's da-da-da, and then we would have fought. So I just let her stay. And next thing you know, we're just touching each other. And, I mean, I'm a guy. I'm a guy. I'm
You're
a male.
a guy with a girlfriend.
That's pregnant.
All right, here she is. Here's Cece.
How are you going to do this to me? You're supposed to be my sister. How could you be that low?
True friend. You've hurt me in the past, and you used to not pay me for babysitting. You have been fake to me and talked behind my back, and it just felt good in the moment.
If I wasn't pregnant right now, I'd be you.